friends, I communicate with interesting people, and I became really a leader.
And I'm from Kazakhstan. I volunteer at the Youth Volunteering Leadership Center to start. I want to share a little bit more about the Leaders Active Day. That we don't really only speak, we do. We show the actions that we already showed in our community. We change the community doing the different social activities like cleaning the different places, and plus having a trainings and teaching the students, and plus doing flash mobs outside, and which is really shows that the youth are still here, we're still work here, and we're want to develop and also get involved to the different places, get involved people for coming with us and joining us and making a difference in our community, in our country.